Okay, 2009 to 2014 F-150. Whenever you have the AC problem, which the thumping noise for the valve actuator for the door, you hear it go thump, 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 thump. Well, I unplugged the battery today to clean some cables on it. When I plugged it back up, it kept doing that, and it would not go into air coming out here, would not blow out any cold air. So the door was stuck in probably floor mode or defrost. So to reset it, I turned the AC off, turned my thermostat here all the way to heat, let it blow until the thumping noise went away. So I turned it back down to cool temperature, turned the AC on, and now it's blowing out here where it's supposed to, and it reset for me. That was easy. A reminder to myself. Thank you.